just beginning to build to what surely will be an exciting game of football. Cancelo. Oh, confident defending. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. They've won the ball back again. Nice play, and he's one-on-one with the keeper. His teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff. 25 goals already. What a signing he's been. Passed well. Moncayola. He's read that one absolutely perfectly. Good interception. Finds his teammate. Great footwork there. And it's saved by the keeper. Oh, that's great determination. What a chance! Nice work there. He's passed it out wide. Vidal. He's almost celebrating, so unlucky. It's with the striker now. And it's half-time then.
Stand up, you've gotta fight. It's a temporary feeling, not like
They brought on a few substitutes for the second half. That's good link-up play. Won the ball. Well intercepted. And that's a throw-in. Volleyed forward. Oh, well intercepted. Well struck. What a goal. Good work there to get on the score sheet. The manager will hope that form continues. Confident pass. And the manager's making a change here. Oh, well timed. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. Not going easy on the opposition today. They're hungry for more. Oh, he's hit the woodwork. Good ball. He's got the ball at his feet. Good distribution. Well ahead now, and this should be the win for them. Headed on. It's Saka. Well read. And the team swap possession again. That's nicely played. We're into time added on now.